Adjust the clamp. Understanding a practical English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase you might encounter in everyday situations. Adjust the clamp. This phrase is simple yet versatile, and understanding it can help in various contexts, especially if you're into DIY projects or mechanical work. So, let's dive into what this phrase means and how to use it effectively. Adjust the clamp is a phrase that's both literal and metaphorical. Literally, it means modifying the position or tightness of a clamp, which is a tool used to hold objects firmly together. However, metaphorically, it can imply making small changes or tweaks in any situation to achieve the desired result. This section will focus on the literal meaning, exploring different types of clamps and how they're adjusted. There are various clamps, each serving a specific purpose. For example, C-clamps are used in woodworking and metalworking, while spring clamps are handy for quick, light-duty clamping. In this section, we'll look at different clamps, their uses, and how their adjustment varies based on their design and purpose. Adjusting a clamp may seem straightforward, but it's important to do it correctly to ensure safety and effectiveness. We'll go through a step-by-step guide on how to adjust common clamps, highlighting key aspects like safety precautions, ensuring the right pressure, and checking for stability. Even a simple task like adjusting a clamp can have its pitfalls. In this section, we'll discuss common mistakes, such as over-tightening or using the wrong type of clamp for a job. Understanding these can prevent damage to materials and ensure a safer working environment. Here, we'll explore how adjust the clamp is used metaphorically. It can signify making fine adjustments in various scenarios, like tweaking a plan or strategy. We'll look at examples where this metaphor applies, enhancing your understanding of the phrase in a broader context. And that's a wrap on adjust the clamp. Whether you're dealing with actual clamps in a workshop or using the phrase metaphorically, I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of its meaning and applications. Remember, sometimes all it takes is a small adjustment to make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.